Unlock a faster, safer way to pay with Chase's powerful digital wallet. Today, we're diving into how to master your Chase digital wallet for seamless payments from your phone to your favorite online stores. First, let's get you set up. Open your Chase mobile app and navigate to the wallet section. If it's your first time, you might see a prompt to add a card. To add your Chase credit or debit card, you can easily scan the card with your phone's camera or manually enter the details. Follow the on-screen prompts for verification, which usually involves a quick text or email confirmation. Once your card is added to your primary Chase app, you'll want to add it to your phone's native digital wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay. Look for the option within your card details in the Chase app, or go directly to your phone's wallet settings. Now for the in-store magic. When you're ready to pay at a participating store, simply unlock your phone and hold it near the contactless payment terminal. Your default Chase card will be automatically selected for a quick tap and go transaction. For online purchases, it's just as easy. At checkout on supported websites, you'll see options to pay with your digital wallet. Select your Chase digital wallet, and a quick confirmation on your phone will authorize the payment. But the Chase digital wallet is more than just payments. It's your financial command center. Check your transaction history, easily freeze or unfreeze your cards if you misplace them, and manage your spending with built-in tools. Even track rewards points directly within the app. Start using your Chase digital wallet today for secure, convenient, and smarter financial management. Your transactions just got a whole lot easier.